every trade has a tool that helps them do their job. In this video, I'm going to share a tool that you need. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. So, you need a tool, and I've brought some friends. Say hi to your team. You're a new manager, and you were just given this team. You need to make them work. So you as a fresh manager are looking at your team and you're going to try, let me move this mic, you're going to try to make them work. So as a screw works, it goes into the wood. You can use your fingers, but if you push them too hard, I don't know if I can show you this, it's not working. I'm going to cut my fingers. I could probably try to screw them in with my teeth, but the owner of this channel doesn't have a dental plan, so we're not going to try that. The tools I'm naturally given without any training is not going to work very well. I can try to manipulate, I can try to smash, but I don't think your employees are going to like that. The next tool or the next upgrade you could use is a screwdriver. So the screwdriver, it's going to work. This is you trying on your own to learn management. But you're going to go and you're going to read books. You're going to go to seminars. You're going to do all this stuff. Ouch. You're going to do all this stuff on your own. And it's going to work, but it's not going to work as fast as you want. It's actually probably going to take years of learning to try to figure this out. But there's a better way. You can join the No Nonsense Leadership Academy, and with a team of international leadership experts, with other members, you are going to learn about management faster. You're going to learn about leadership in a more efficient way. As a team, when we go through our monthly masterclasses, when we have our monthly Zoom calls, our knowledge base just expands. And then being a leader, that is so much easier. Listen, I know you get the point. With the right tools, the right help from the right people, you can go on and do great things. You can be a leader. You can succeed on your own. You can try to educate yourself on your own and you will succeed. But we don't need to take that amount of time. We don't need that much individual effort. We can learn from each other way faster. So join the No Nonsense Leadership Academy. It opens tomorrow. So make sure you're ready.